Hi! You're watching Pinoy Scoop, your daily entertainment news channel in the Philippines.
Tayo'y dapat tingnan bilang mga mamamayan. Kung ito'y ginagawa sa iba't ibang sektor ng lipunan, madalas nagko-complain tayo kung bakit tayo sinisingle out. So, why would we expect special treatment? So, kung ito'y kinakailangan, bakit hindi gawin?
Okay.
Ako,
Pero yung
that's my stand.
paglabas doon ng pangalan. Kasi si Robin dito ba nag-statement na...
I respect that. I respect na nabasa ko yung stand ni Binoy. I respect that.
But
Ang akin ay what is done to one sector should be applicable to all.
okay.
Otherwise, pag nangyari isang beses sa ating buhay na tayo ang naalala niyo pag every time sinasabi natin bakit ang BIR ang tinitingnan lang tayo. Nagko-complain tayo bakit sinisingle out ang show business. This is let's not impose anything that we cannot impose on ourselves. So, kung patas ang laban.
Okay.
Ang pakiusap ko lamang ay sanay the vetting process, yung pag-imbestiga ay mabusisi dahil kasi if you say look, we are a public business, reputations are at stake. Kahit hindi ka naman nasa show business, reputation is reputation. So kung ano man ang ina-apply doon sa ibang sektor, if it has to be applied to the business of show, then so be it.
Sir, yung mga talents niyo po sa backroom ngayon na ay willing to undergo drug test po.
Hindi ko pa sila nakakausap pero sigurado ako na pag i-require ko yung mga artists namin sa Asian Artists Agency.
Ang bagong pangalan ng backroom.
Thank you for watching today's entertainment news here at Pinoy Scoop. Please don't forget to subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button below. Have a great day. Goodbye.